Good morning and welcome to Daily Trading Notes. For the US markets, the Dow was trading in the negative territory early in the session after the US jobless claims remained in the millions for the 8th straight week. The Labor Department reported a total of 2.98 million Americans who sought unemployment benefits, bringing the total to 36.5 million since the pandemic began. However, the Dow saw its biggest intraday comeback in about 2 months after a significant rally from banks. The Dow ended 377 points higher, the Nasdaq rose 80 points, and the S&P rose 32 points. Moving on to the local market, the PSEI closed higher yesterday on last-minute buying. However, value turnover was the thinnest for this year with only 3.4 billion pesos. For our outlook for the day, we expect investors to remain on the sidelines as they brace for the easing of restrictions next week. Still, however, with a downward bias as Hong Kong, South Korea, and China are now facing virus resurgences. So by May 16, most parts of the country will be shifting from ECQ to GCQ. However, NCR, Laguna, and Cebu will be put under a modified ECQ as they are considered higher risk areas. In other news, the country's economic team is pushing for an earlier than expected corporate income tax cut. The NEDA stated that part of their economic recovery plan includes a one-time drastic corporate income tax rate cut from the current 30% to 25% in July. The proposal will be under the Corporate Recovery and Tax Incentive for Enterprise Act, also known as CREATE. It is a revised version of the Cetera bill pending at the Senate. The CREATE bill also includes an extension of the net operating loss carryover to 5 years from 3 years, while losses this year can be credited to future tax payments. So that concludes our market outlook. Have a good day.